aking bibig. It's me, Kabibig RB! Yay! Yay! For today's video, andito po ako ngayon sa harap ng hapagkainan with my brother! Uy! Yami ni Kuya Metel! Shy type! Pagpasensya nyo na guys. Bugi yung kuya ko. Pamain, charot. So, yun. Ang gagawin namin ngayon is kain kami ng sambuong chicken. Chicken manok. Tigisa kami. Mag-uunahan kami uubos. Inuna kami nga mga sa Ilocano. Di man din na tulad mo.
Alam kong sanay mong tao.
Sakit na yung tiyan ko. I'm so full. Full tank. Full tanga. Ano ba yun? Itawa. Paano? Kantahan ko muna kayo guys kasi busog na busog talaga ako. Hindi ko na kaya yung chat. Hindi ko na mabuhat. Ano bang gusto nyo? Tagalog, Ilocano, English. Cause it's 12:45 and I thought my feelings were gone, but I'm lying on my bed thinking of you again, and the moon shines so bright, but I gotta dry these tears tonight. But you're moving on, and I'm not that strong to hold on any longer. Ooh, ooh. Chicken, 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 chicken. Na another song.
Cover speech.
Gawin. Magkakaraoke ako. Tawang-tawa yun. Ay, tawa. Cover speech. Cover speech.
Cover speech.
Sabalin sa ito. Naman.
It took
One look,
one
forever lay out
Forever lay
behind. Told me one smile, then I died, only to be revived by you. There I was, thought I had everything figured out. Goes to show just how much I know about the way life plays out. Favorite song ko to. Tara. I take one step away, and I find myself coming back. Sarap yan. To you, my one and only. Ano ba? Chicken. Now I know that I'm not a thing at all, except the fact that I am yours and that you are mine. Hindi mo ito?
Para sa mga vlog.
I take one step away, Mongko, and I find myself coming back to you, my one and only, one and only.
You told me that you wouldn't miss me.
I'm not one to complain. Nago, chorus.
Upsig! Oh, eh.
Lo ako yun. To you,
Help me, I'm under the
my
water.
one and only, one and only. I take one step away. Ano rin mo?
From myself coming back to you.
Ah? Lamin sa pahinga song. Song ko.
The one that the...
Ay, remix.
Anong generation?
Tana. 5, 4, 3, 2. Summer after high school when we first met, we make up on your Mustang to Radiohead. And on my 18th birthday we've got much matching tattoos.
Mashed.
Used to steal your parents' liquor and climb to the roof. Talk about the future like we had a clue. Never planned that one day I'd be losing you. In another life, I would be your girl. We keep all our promises, be us against the world. In another life, I would make you stay, so I don't have to say you were the one that got away. The one that got away. Parang ang sad. Siya na part nga as day. I was June and you were my Johnny Cash. Never one without you, I'll bring it. Sometimes when I miss you, I put those records on. Whoa. Someone said you had your tattoo removed. Saw you downtown singing the blues. It's time to face the music, I'm no longer your muse. But in another life, I would be your girl. We keep all our promises, be us against the world. In another life, I would make you stay, so I don't have to say you were the one that got away. Kuya, the one that got away. Lalabin na. In another life, I would be your girl. Nauna na siya.
Promises.
Be us against the world. In another life, I would make you stay. Tagalog man. DJ ko na.
Joy.
You're still the no. You're not the one.
O ba yan?
Lagi.
Saan dali?
Pinapaubaya. Ginawa sa kanya. May yung cover page yun. Cover speech. Paubaya, ikaw at ako at so much. May dito ni Kuya Talo. Saan nagsimulan magbago ang lahat? Lado ta. Kailan nung ako'y di na naging sapat. Pati mo sinabi nung una pa lang ko ang kailangan, pero di ang mahal. Nagsaki may eto. Saan nagkulang ang aking pagmamahal? Lahat ay binigay ng pangiti ka lang. Pati ko nakita na ayaw mo na. Ako ang kasama, pero hanap mo siya. Ala! At kung masaya ka sa piling niya, hindi ko na ipipilit pa. Ang tanging kulang sa kanya, huwag kang paluhain at alagaan kanya. Kumakain kami kasi bakit may gantong ano? Parang araw darating ang iyong tanging hinihiling. At nung dumating ang aking panalangin ay hindi na maikubli. Ang pag-asang nahanap ko sa iyong mga mata, at ang takot kung sakali mang ika'y mawawala. Ayan. At ngayon, nandyan ka na, di mo paliwanag ang nadarama. Handa ko sa walang hanggan, di pa sa'kin, di nasasaktan. Ay, sus, tawag mo. Lalo Up pala to. Maipaliwanag ang nangyari sa akin. Ang baba? Saksi ang lahat ng mga tayo sa iyong panalangin. Ano nasagot lahat ng bakit di makapaniwala sa nangyari. Paano mo na itama ang tadhana? Maganda ka? Sa tapuan ni Bathala, may kinang sa mata na di maintindihan. Tumingin kung saan, sinubukan kong lumisan at tumigil ang mundo. Nung ako'y ituro. Ay, advance. Ayun na nga, hindi namin naubos kasi busog na kami. Hanggang dito na lang. Ay, hanggang dito na lang. Akin ka na lang, walang ganyan na. Ay, pagkita mo dito nito. At nanganalo ay ang kuya ko. Yay! Bravo, bravo. Ay, say the bye.